Welcome back to the AZ Online Car Show. Today we are taking a look at some local Buick and GMC inventory. Why not you get your favorite snack and your favorite drink and enjoy this featured presentation? I want to thank Aubrey and Sons and Tint Your Lights for sponsoring today's video. Aubrey and Sons is your premier home for all of your automotive repair and maintenance needs. Tint Your Lights is Arizona's premier home for all of your automotive customization needs. You can give them a call at the phone number on the screen or reach out to their social media. When we were at Chevrolet last week, we saw that Chevrolet had a lot of Silverados out here on the lot. The Silverado and the Sierra are getting redesigned for 2027, and it is very concerning because it is a lot of trucks out here on the lot. This GMC dealer is facing the same problems that their Chevrolet counterparts are. All of these models that we just showed you and what I'm about to show you, these are just the 1500s. They have plenty of them available. What you may be surprised when I show you is that the price difference between the Chevrolet and GMC trucks, the price difference is not all that much different. Paying for the professional grade branding on the GMC than you would on your Chevrolet. This truck right here is the base model. It's a 1500 Pro. Got your steel wheels, base work truck, GMC Sierra 1500. Got your Turbo Max, $44,840. Then your $2,095 worth of add-ons. And this is the base model of the GMC Sierra. It is a race against the clock for GM to sell as many of these 2026 Silverado and Sierra 1500s. The all-new trucks are expected to be on dealer lots between October 1st and November 15th for the holiday season. I did see on this dealership's website that they are offering up to $7,500 off of MSRP for a lot of these GMC trucks. I say that if they really want to move a lot of these trucks, they have to be like Ram and start discounting these trucks $15,000, $20,000 off of MSRP to make room for all these 2027 GMC Sierras and Silverados. Besides the Sierra 1500s that we saw on the front line at the beginning of this video, there is a bunch more of these 1500 Sierras out here at this dealership. We've seen them 3 rows deep worth of trucks. All of these are 2026s. Let's take a look at a couple like this one right here. This is a Duramax diesel. Believe this is a SLT. The wheels look like a SLT. These are 20-inch wheels with the upscale GMC grille. I really like the Duramax engine. It's very, very efficient. It's got a leather interior in it. Got the GMC bed liner on here. Yep, this is the SLT. Let's see how much this thing is. 4-wheel drive. Oops. I slipped on the concrete thing. Oh, only $68,615. GMC Sierra SLT. Got your sterling metallic on the paint coat on the outside of the truck, and it has black leather interior. Let's check out another one. This is the Elevation four-wheel drive. There's no bed liner in here this time. The wheels are kind of dirty. They're supposed to be black. Let's see what the price is. $66,550. GMC Sierra Elevation. It's got your 5.3 with dynamic fuel management. Your 5.3. That's your Elevation package. So there is a lot of these Sierra trucks out here at this dealership. We're gonna get these two vehicles right here. The one on the left is the Enclave. The one on the right is the Acadia. They are very similar. They come with the same chassis. They come with the same engine, but they offer a very different driving experience. The GMC is more of your luxury off-road SUV. This is the Denali. This is all-wheel drive. These come with your 22-inch wheels, exclusively to GMC and the Denali package. The interior is nice. It's got your Denali emblem on the headrest. It is black and like a grayish. Has your sunroof. Has seating for 6. It is all-wheel drive. Your quad exhaust tips on the Denali. Nice looking vehicle so far. Then the Enclave. The Enclave is your premium SUV. It rides a little bit softer than the Acadia does. These also have the 22-inch wheels, but this is exclusive to the Avenir model. The Avenir logo is right on the headrest, like the Denali package is. It has a little bit nicer interior than the GMC does. The color code on this is Ocean Blue Metallic. And it has gray leather interior in it. It also has all-wheel drive on the Enclave. Unlike the GMC, this has the dual exhaust in the back. Both of these models do have your 2.5 liter, 328 horsepower inline 4, 326 foot-pounds of torque. They both are connected to a 8-speed automatic transmission. Both of these vehicles tow 5,000 pounds. Price on this Avenir is $67,010. 2026 Buick Enclave Avenir. Price on the GMC Acadia Denali all-wheel drive is $68,600. And there's a price difference of about $1,500 between these two vehicles. There is a Chevrolet version that is called the Chevrolet Traverse. And the High Country is about $5,000 cheaper than these two vehicles right here. We have another Avenir on the lot. This is the Buick Envision Avenir, which is the highest trim model of all Buicks in America. You got your 20-inch wheels here, 245, 45 20-inch wheels. The color is iridescent white tri-coat. The interior color is black. We'll show you here in just a moment.
Got all-wheel drive. This is powered by a 2-liter inline-4 that produces 250 horsepower and 260 foot-pounds of torque. I believe it has a 9-speed automatic transmission. See the sticker there, iridescent white tricoat with ebony leather, 9-speed automatic, $53,295 before the $2,095 added to the price. Look at the interior, is very nice for a Buick. Got your Avenir emblems on the headrest. Big old sunroof. Nice looking interior for a Avenir, but $53,000 is a lot of money for a premium compact SUV.
This is Buick's smallest SUV, the 2026 Buick Envista Avenir. It comes with these 19-inch pearl nickel finish aluminum alloy wheels. Got chrome accents all over the vehicle to match the wheels. It comes in a 1.2-liter turbo inline-3. Front-wheel drive is the only drivetrain available. It is related to the Chevrolet Traction Trailblazer. The cost is $32,090. They add a $2,095 addendum sticker for a grand total of $34,185.
Got another one for you guys here. This is the GMC Yukon XL AT4. AT4 badging right on the lower part of the grill here. Your tow hooks right underneath the front grill there on both sides. Got your 275 60 20-inch wheels. These rims are special to the AT4 package. You got your AT4 package on both sides of the door. You got your leather interior there. Your leather interior, your AT4 badge right there. Big old infotainment screen. Captain chairs. Captain chairs is available on the AT4 package. Looking around to the rear of the vehicle, got your quad exhaust tips. Big, loud V8. This has the 6.2 V8 engine. Enough power to tow your boats and get to grandma's house. Volcanic red tint coat is the exterior color. Forest Storm with mahogany accents is the exterior color. 6.2 with the V8. $97,335 is the price, but $20,995 worth of add-ons. This is
Thank you for
almost
watching today's video on the Arizona
$100,000
Online
for
Car
this
Show.
GMC
Don't forget
Yukon
to like, share, and
AT4.
subscribe to our YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Stay blessed, everyone.